Hi, this is Luke from Tyre Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock number 6248. This ran from the 11th 2009 to the 12th 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 16-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory aluminium magnet tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,